Aaron Burnett out front. Weeknights at 7, only on CNN.
You fed up with a lack of transparency in politics, Wall Street, maybe with your mechanic? A Stanford scientist may have figured out one way to provide some clarity: see-through brains. Dan Simon is out front with tonight's big idea.
Surface part of the brain.
Dr. Carl Deiseroth isn't your typical doctor. He's an innovator. His research has won many prestigious awards. But this may be his biggest idea yet: a whole new way of looking at the brain. High-tech cameras provide a stunning look at the cells and connections, images never captured before, and only possible through a scientific breakthrough. It's called Clarity, and this picture shows what happens. On the left, a completely intact brain from a mouse. On the right, a brain that is completely transparent. It's there, but almost invisible, after being bathed in a solution invented by the doctor and his team.
Really, it was the inability to see anything at all that was the most exciting thing, and that moment was really, I think, a transformative moment.
Later, through the use of fluorescence, you get these images. What makes this so significant is that in the past, this opaque organ had to be sliced open to get an inside view.
So you lose something by taking it apart.
You do. And what we've worked on, particularly this technology called Clarity, is a way to see through the brain without taking it apart.
With the brain fully intact, scientists are able to study it much more thoroughly.
To be able to look inside the brain like this and look at all those various pathways that we've speculated on for years, to see them actually come to life, it's fascinating.
The process involves submerging a whole intact brain into a solution called a hydrogel that makes it easier for scientists to extract the brain's lipids or fats. They're then left with a fully transparent brain that can now be studied. By getting an unprecedented view of the human brain, Dr. Deiseroth and his team here at Stanford hope it will also lead to an unprecedented understanding of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The long-term hope is that the research will lead to better treatment for those kinds of disorders.
We don't understand really how the brain normally works to create reality, to create hope, to create sensations. If we don't understand that, then we can't understand how it fails to work in these diseases.
The new biotechnology is actually quite simple, but scientists say it could further our knowledge of something extraordinarily complex. Dan Simon, CNN, Palo Alto, California.